Okay, guys, excuse me. Today, I was fortunate enough to go to an estate sale in one of our buildings. I happened to catch it on the way home with Vinny. We were walking and I saw a sign out in front of our building, and it was wonderful. Let me show you some of the pieces I got. Now, these belong to a dresser, a table with two drawers, I guess, to put makeup like I had in Florida. How weird to find the same setup. I didn't want the table, but I wanted the stools. I have a stool thing, as you know. I don't know what my problem is, but I'm gonna keep one here, and I'm gonna take the other one to Florida to go under the chinoiserie cabinet that I love, that Vinny gave me for my anniversary a few years ago. It's in the den. Well, it's in the living room now. We're going to put it back in the den. And I'm going to reupholster this because there's no fabric on, and the fabric must have been stained or something because the cushions underneath are. So I'm going to have to do complete refinish of the cushion. I'm reupholstered the batting, this part on here, the linen part, because that's stained, and whatever foam underneath is not good, I'm assuming. But the wood is impeccable. And you can see there's not a scratch on them. They're beautiful. You're beautiful. And here's the other one. There's a slight scallop. Oh, excuse me, I'm on my knees here. There's a slight scallop in the design. See that? And they're very secured. Millie's barking to try to get Daddy's lunch. They're nice and secure. Okay. Vinny, I'm filming. Okay. So I got that. And I'm in love with them. And they're from American Furniture Company. I have to look this up. They had a tag inside. Let me see if I can see it. And they're in good condition. They're very well made. And you won't believe the price I paid for them. I paid $8 each, guys. $8. I could not run out of there fast enough with them, but they probably knew they had to be completely restored as far as the cushioning goes. And a lot of people don't like to do that because fabric ain't cheap. A good one, upholstery fabric by the yard, be reasonably at least $40. So for me, I think it's fair that I got them for $8 each in this great condition. So I'm going to do that. Next, I'm going to move these and show you my other stool. Just an idea, guys. They can be put together as a little bench if somebody wanted to, but I'm going to separate them by state. One for New York and one for Florida. One will stay there probably or go in the corner. Now, look at this beauty. I loved it. The minute I eyed it and nobody bought it, I grabbed it. It's a beautiful, like a burgundy red, in between red and burgundy, which I like. It doesn't know which color it wants to be. The velvet's in fair condition, you know, good enough that I don't have to refinish it. And the legs are elegant. It's gorgeous. It has a trim on here. Let me bend down. My knees are killing me. You can see how vibrant that color is on camera. You see, it has the trimming, all in mint condition. The legs, you know, they can need a little polish, but that's about it. And I paid $15 for this one. It has my name on it. They're holding it while I was making my pile, my stash. How cute is that? I just love it. I just love it. I have a thing for stools and antiques. As you can see, I utilize them as little furniture props. And here, you can't see it, but back there is a child's desk chair from like a nursery school in Hunter Green, painted. I put books on it and lift it up for the tree. You know, I might put one of the new stool in there and change things around a bit. I don't know. But I use them and I love them. And this is just adorable. This is going to be probably kept empty so that I can pull it up to the table, the coffee table, or wherever. Put it for Vinny if he wants to put his legs up by the couch, whatever. I will definitely make use of it. Now let me show you. I'm going to leave this out and put them on top because it seems like the perfect stage. I'm going to show you the little baubles of little things I bought. Okay, here, guys, is just a little ring dish. All these things I'm showing you, the small items, I got the batch for $10. I was very happy because this is Royal Derby China. It's, let me read it properly. I can't do it that way, I have to say it. It's Derby Posies by Derby China. It's Royal Crown Derby English bone china. And I think it's adorable. And you know, that's my other fetish. Little things, little boxes and baubles and things. I'll make adorable jewelry. You see how I display all my jewelry. So this is just another pretty way to display them. I have some of my items in ugly plastic, as you've seen. And now I'm upgrading. And as I find these little dishes and things, I'm going to add them. So that's that. Now, this item coming up, I feel like I'm a little auctioneer here. This item, I don't know what it is. I just know I was drawn to it. Let's look at the bottom. Again, this is blue sprays, and it's something, I can't make it out. But again, it's kind of a china, and it says circa 1760. I doubt that that's true. But in any event, it has the design on the front, and then it has this cute design on the back. And you know what? This could be a tiny makeup brush holder on my new bathroom when we redo it for the small brushes, meaning my little eyeshadow brushes, and then I get a bigger china cup for the blush ones. I think I got an idea coming on here. Yeah, and if I didn't do that, it's too small for pens or anything of that nature. It has to be something small and short and practical. So for me, I think that would be a lovely makeup brush holder. Yes, my little eyeshadow brushes, and I have several, an eyeliner, and the small ones, you guys know which ones I'm speaking of, and the eyebrow brush comb. I'll show you when I stage it. Okay, so I got two little pieces of china. Okay, now this coming up, I know this is worth something because I used to have these. I had several. This is a little pitcher with a 24 karat gold leaf picture inside, and if you turn it around, it says certificate of guarantee, 23 karat. The work of art is produced on 23 karat gold leaf. It's not pure gold, it's just gold leaf, which is very delicate, and you could see it's 24 karat. It's the gold leafing they put on furniture and items, so they painted that art on top of it. But still, it's just it's pretty. It's very beautiful for me. I really love it, and it's delicate and it's tiny, so I just like it. Okay, now next up, I was just in my closet thinking I want a little shelf to put one up. Sorry for the shake. One of my boxes on. I love this stool. Look at it. It's already serving a purpose for me. I wanted a shelf, and look what I found. A small plate holder. That was the marking so that I know where to put it in the closet to hang it up. And it's got a rose, which I love roses for decor. And it is a favorite flower if I were to choose, so I would pick roses. But that is beautiful. I'm going to put it on the wall in the bedroom closet and utilize it there. I mean, I could do many purposes. I could have put that little brush on top of it in the bathroom if I wanted, or two makeup brush holders on here, whatever. But I'm going to play with it, and I'm going to put it in the bedroom closet and make that. Now, this, guys, was just for sheer pleasure. It made me smile and reminisce when I seen it back in the day when these little baubles, trinkets, so to speak, were $1. I got the whole batch of what I've just shown you for 10. But this is vintage. How cute is that? She had a collection, and I didn't want to get them because in Florida, I wanted to start a collection. I may still do that here, but I'll do it around this one bottle because this, I don't know if it's drinkable. I had given my son a bottle the neighbor gave me from 1969. So I bet you it's still good. Seagram's in there. But look at that. Even the label is so old and torn. I think somebody took a sip out of this. I'm not sure. But it made me smile. And I had to have it. So there she is. Little Miss Seagram 7. And they don't make them look this good anymore. She had a Jack Daniels there that was so old. The liquor was golden and yellow. All right, guys. I kept you enough. That was my morning. After our walk, we spotted it. And there's my little bounty. I'm going to go in the room now and play with my closet shelf and my little baubles. I'm going to see how my makeup brushes look inside of my cup there. And then probably be time for lunch. I thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments what was your favorite item that I got out of today's estate sale. Okay, guys, here's just a quick sneak peek of where things wound up temporarily. When I say temporarily, they're so perfect. One of them is going to go back to Florida to match up with that antique piece, and the other one will stay. But for the time being, they're together on the sides of the fireplace with books, and I love them. And I can't wait to decide. Now I get to pick 2 different fabrics, one for New York and one for Florida. Okay, and over here, the little red stool sits temporarily. It fits nicely in that corner. I had to move stuff around back here in the corner. I had to take this from the entry hall, the little school chair. That thing weighs a ton. It's solid. I can't get rid of it. I paid like $3 for it. I love it. And since it's green, I brought it in here and holds the books, and it elevates my tablet, you know. Okay, and where's the other thing that we changed? I had to move stuff around to make everybody fit happily. The books in the green chair used to be here, but the recycle was driving me nuts. It did not go over here in the corner. We leave our shoes here, and that is going to get filled with long stems of a flower or pussy willows or something, a branch, and I'll take the Christmas tree out because it's a little too bushy. Or just I'll get rid of it and put the vase empty somewhere. We'll see. I don't know. But that fits there, and we put the leopard chair stool back where it was, because I do like it over here by the desk, and I think it looks good here with the black and that, and Vinny's desk chair that's coming. You see the cushion top for that, the old folding chair? That's going to be replaced with the leather camel colored, just like the couch. So that's going to look really nice, and I think it'll look nice with the leopard stool here. Okay, that's where things wound up. Wait, we have one more. Let me show you where the little shelf wound up. Okay, this is where the rose shelf wound up, and I think it's kind of wonderful. It's a little rose gold shelf, and they needed to go up somewhere safe to look over all of my little jewels here. And the other little cup I brought in here, and the dish has a place now. I got rid of a box, empty box, or a different dark dish. I got this for my birthday, and I think this looks cute. This, I'm not sure where it's gonna go. I tried the brushes and it wasn't crazy about it. This, I don't know. I was trying to put it up here. I might put it up there. I don't know. We'll see. I have options, but there it is. I thought that was so cute.